Oh my God. Here we go again. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we look at market performance. We look at market performance for the past 24 hours. Right after that, we will look at prices in details, okay? And excuse me, let me fix this right quick. And right after that, guys, we'll look at our positions. Am I in Rec City yet? that is a question a lot of people have been asking themselves so far. But guys, anyways, before we get to that, it takes experience and it takes the will of wanting something before you can get it. You understand? A lot of people are crying right now. Yeah, the bull run is over. Yeah, this is that is done. And I'm here just laughing. Let's get one thing clear. I warned you. I did. I told you. Strategic reserve, all this nonsense going on. If you follow Donald Trump campaign, all this nonsense happening right now will not surprise you. Will not. Because this these things, it was all like set up already. We know. Let's get it clear. To be the crypto capital of the world does not mean invest in the cryptocurrencies that are made in the United States of America. That is not what that means. To be the crypto capital of the world means making rules and regulations that will allow cryptocurrencies to thrive, to do good, for people to benefit out of them. And that's exactly the opposite of what your magician Trump is doing. Okay? Rules and regulation that will prevent people from doing rug pulls that he himself has indulged in doing. He did that with the NFTs, he did that with the meme coin, and his latest one, not far away. How is Solana doing? Not that. How is Cardano doing? How is XRP? See, that is what I'm trying to tell you. It's not like I am bashing people. It's not that. Okay? Look at, for example, when all this nonsense started, Kaspa was sitting at 8. Is it 8.4? 8.5? That's where it was sitting. And right now, where is Kaspa sitting? 7.5, 7.6, or 7.7 cents. That's where Kaspa is sitting. When all this nonsense started, where was Solana sitting? And where's Solana sitting right now? You have to compare. You have to really go ahead. There is something in most people, and I will say it again. Do not compare Kaspa with all these nonsense coins. Because again, Kaspa still on testnet. I would say if you listen, if you don't want to understand this, I don't know how else to say it. An asset that is on testnet with no ecosystem, no value locked, no tier 1 exchanges listing, how do you compare it? Okay? On the opposite, you should see the way that Kaspa is holding strong. Because if it was any other project without nothing, without the TVL, without tier 1s, without ecosystem, that project would have crashed to zero right now. But instead, Kaspa is holding strong. Again, you need to ask yourself, why? Why? If on testnet, it has gone up almost 42,000% on testnet, what do you think would happen to Kaspa when it gets on mainnet with ecosystem, with all that stuff that is all the goodies? What do you think? Now you have people sitting here, oh yeah, Rec City, oh yeah. Nah, man, that is not it. I told you, you need to park your money where it's going to grow. And by doing so, I mean park your money in Kaspa, in Quant, okay? Kaspa, Quant, those utility. Well, it is, we only got like what? A month and some days left. And you will see what I'm talking about. You will see. First of all, we have already started. For those of you who didn't know, the 10 blocks per second transition has already started. For those of you who didn't know, instead, all this good news on everything else happening has been overshadowed by the magic trick that we got from Donald Trump. Oh man, a lot of people are sitting in Reg City today. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. And those of you who think like, yeah, Mike, I've been wrecked. No, I've not been wrecked. My positions, all 6 of them are still open, still doing great. You understand? So yeah, you have to sit there and understand what you're doing. Everybody else who was, yeah, crypto reserve coming on, yay, Solana, yay, ADA, yay. What are they today? Again, he did it one more time. He rock pull you. It is, the sequence never fails. You understand? It never fails. It is, you line them up, you pack them, and Reg City. It never fails with Donald Trump. And all of you who are sitting here, strategic reserve and this and that, now you've got a taste of it. Get a taste of it. Okay, I got a comment. A guy was telling me, yeah, precious metals also get, I should go look at JP Morgan. The precious metals also get manipulated. Really? If you set the price of gold side by side with Bitcoin, look at the performance. Go look at the performance. That's all I'm saying. You see, Bitcoin, not a week ago, we were sitting at $107,000 or something like that. Where is Bitcoin today? Check the price of gold a week ago and check the price of gold what is sitting today. It speaks for itself. I've said it here time after time. You cannot store your wealth in an asset that is easily manipulated. You cannot do that. It's not. Those kind of things, like again, I will say it. For me, I use cryptocurrencies, okay, to make money. Once I make money, I use my profits to buy gold. Now, you look at stuff like Quant, you look at stuff like Kaspa. The reason I'm saying generational wealth with Kaspa is because if you look at the way Kaspa is right now, think about Bitcoin when it was 50 cents, a dollar. That is exactly where Kaspa is sitting right now. People, yeah, Bitcoin was nonsense. People even came on TV back then to say Bitcoin was going to zero. Those of them who purchased Bitcoin at a dollar, they have generational wealth right now. Because imagine back then when Bitcoin was a dollar and you put 5 grand in it, you got 5,000 Bitcoins. Imagine today how much money you will be having. Now you have enough money to buy as much gold and store your money, your wealth, right? So that is the same situation I am trying to tell you guys about Kaspa. You're looking at Kaspa right now, 7 cents, okay? You got 10,000 of them. I don't know what your plan is. My plan is to get 5 million of those things. That's why I am leverage trading, because my profit from leverage trading, some of it will go to gold. Some of them I will keep on purchasing Kaspa and Quant, because I'm telling you guys, in the next 10 years, from now 10 years, this is the most amount of money, the most insane money you will make with Kaspa and with Quant. Mark my words on it. I'm telling you, time will come. Time will come when people will go back and look at these videos of mine and say, yeah, that crazy guy was right. And I'll be back there. Then I will tell you, yep, I told you so. Okay, you think Bitcoin is great. Wait until Kaspa starts to roll out its ecosystem. You will see what I'm talking about. So if you want to make that money, generational wealth, buy Kaspa. Kaspa is where the money is. Not financial advice, but that is where the money is. A lot of people are not understanding it. I don't even know how to explain it again. Every bull run, you have the highs and lows. Okay, let's make this. I have my spot accounts, which you guys already know. I don't on my spot account this run. I am going to get rid of all proof of stake coins that I have. I'm going to throw them all away. Okay, I'm going to have only proof of work. I'll keep my Bitcoin. Yeah, I will keep my Kaspa. Yeah, I'm going to see. I think the only proof of stake I'm going to keep depends on how it does is Terra Luna Classic. Because like Terra Luna Classic, if you go read that technology, it's very revolutionary. So I'll see how it does. If it does the way I think it will, I will keep it. If not, I'm going to sell it. But again, you have to understand it. Okay, you are here to make money. We are not here to lose it. How do you make money? You need to hold those assets that are guaranteed that they will make you money. You don't believe me, that's fine. But I'm telling you, Kaspa, Quant, they are guaranteed to make you money. Insane amount of money for the next 10 years or even more. They are. That is why I want to have 5 million Kaspa coins. That's why I guess I am trading to get there. Because the way I look at it, okay, let's assume, let's switch position that Kaspa is Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was $1, if you had got 5,000 Bitcoins back then, okay, by 2020, when Bitcoin first hit that $20,000, you would have been crazily and insanely rich. Okay, you take 1,000 Bitcoin, sell, that's it. 20,000 times 1,000, you sell, you keep 4,000. The next bull run after that, Bitcoin went to $74,000. You take another 1,000, you sell, you still got 3,000 Bitcoin. Imagine right now when Bitcoin went to $9,000 and you have 3,000 Bitcoins. That is not even the top. The top for this run, like I keep saying, most people think different, which again, I respect your opinion. I think Bitcoin on this top is 150, 160,000 and you have 3,000 of them. Imagine selling 1,000 Bitcoin for $160,000. That is what I'm trying to tell you with Kaspa, which right now, yeah, might seem insane, it might seem crazy, it might seem out of place. Imagine you having Kaspa. We're not gonna go. I'm gonna use myself for example, okay? Because I would not start selling my Kaspa until probably the next bull run. I'm holding all my Kaspa. I'm not selling nothing except for closing my leverage trades. I'm holding all my Kaspa. But imagine, let's just say, by next bull run, I have let's say 1 million Kaspa, because that's my target. By next bull run, probably I will have me 1 million or 2 million Kaspa. Kaspa goes up $40, $50. All I have to do, sell 100,000 Kaspa. See, you keep on leverage trading, add more, and when the time comes, you only sell a portion. That is what I mean, generational wealth. You sell a portion, that whatever you get, you buy gold, or you go crazy, you do whatever you want to do. My plan is buy gold, keep on buying it, because I think when time comes, people are going to realize you cannot store your wealth in cryptocurrencies. You can't. It's going to happen. Okay, it's going to happen unless if they have a tokenized gold, which is 1-to-1 the same value as physical gold. Then yeah, maybe that will shift the mentality of people storing their wealth in digital gold, real gold, but pegged 1-to-1. I think that's what will happen. So yeah, what you're looking at right now, a lot of people are crying. A lot of people are busy running with the hands on their head. What have I can't speak today. What have I always said? When you see blood on the street, you get in. That is me. I don't know about you. That is me. I scale up my trades and I try to get more coins. There's a lot of things I try to do. when I see blood on the street. So yeah, people gonna sit there tell you different. People gonna sit there tell you whatever they want to tell you. But you have to do you because you know what you want. I want to be rich. This is my millionaire journey. I know where I want to end up. So if you sit here because Donald Trump rug pulled a bunch of people, which again, if you would have listened when I told you, you wouldn't have been part of the rug pull, right? You wouldn't have been part of it. You will sit sit right now. you you will probably sit here right now laughing with me, right? So that's what it is. A lot of people don't pay attention. They don't look at the surroundings. They don't look at anything. They think, yeah, the end is here, guys. The end is not here. Bitcoin, the crypto, is about to run, and when it starts to run, it's gonna get there. What I'm telling you, the bull run is not gonna be that high as everybody think, but it's gonna get that high up there, 150, 160,000. They are going to pump it. Why? Because those people that helped him get into the office, they want their money. It's a situation of you scratch my back, I scratch your back. Now, between you and me, all we have to do is sit in the middle and wait for that opportunity to take it. And that's it. No more, no less. So, yeah, you think the little pump that they did take Bitcoin from 88,000 to 95. That's it? No, guys, it is not. They are going to pump it. And now they have to as soon as possible, because sooner than before anybody thinks, the interest rates, the inflation, the macroeconomy is not going to be forgiving. So they have to get that money before, way before everything that the federal government has to do to control the macroeconomy. So yeah, they're going to pump it. And once they do, don't say I didn't warn you. This is how I usually say it. You need to be ready. When you see it red like this is the time for you to make your move. Don't say I didn't tell you. See it red. Look at Quant today, 76, 70 something dollars. This is the time you need to start getting in. Not financial advice, but well, it's up to you. I hope they keep it like this for a little longer. Let's see a couple, like a month or 2 months or that. I hope they keep it like that, because guys, I am packing my bags. That's what I am doing. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, this is an opportunity I cannot miss. I buy Quant every time it goes that low. I buy it. Okay? So yeah, for those of you in Rec City, I don't know what to tell you, but it is what it is, right? Maybe you learn something out of it today, or maybe you learn. The funniest thing is that people never learn. Trust me, tomorrow Trump is gonna come out and tweet about my grandma's coin, and everybody's gonna fall right back in line. Okay, everybody's gonna fall right back in line. Anyways, guys, let's go quick. Let's go look at how the market has been performing for the past 24 for the past 24 hours. Okay, let's look here. Let's look at crypto bubbles. Here we go. Let's load that up right quick. Come on. Whoa, Pi Network is up 7%. I've been mining that thing on my phone. I didn't even think it was going to do that much, but oh well. It is what it is. Now, let's start first with King Kaspa. KAS. Here we go. For the past hour, Kaspa is down 1.2%, 5.2% down on the day, 18.7% down on the week, 35.1% down on the month, and 53.7% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.93 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $122.6 million. See that? The volume is picking up. It has started. Anyways, now go look at Quant, QNT, which is the banker's coin. A lot of people hate on it, but for me, I think it's it's a banker's coin. As you can see, for the past hour, 0.1% up, 0.2%. I mean, 0.1% down the past hour, 0.2% up on the days, 12.2% down on the week, 1% down on the month, and 31.4% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.28 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $44.53 million. Let's go look at Jasmine, which is the Japanese Bitcoin. You guys already know why I call it that. For the past hour, 0.9% down, 3.5% down on the day, 10.4% down on the week, 34.3% down on the month, and 28.8% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of 806 million. $806.21 and a 24 hours volume traded at $72.01 million. Now, last but not the least, let's go look at Cubic. High risk, high rewards, right? Let's see Cubic. Again, this is basically free. So on Cubic, we have 0.5% down the last hour. 0.5% up the last hour, 7.2% down the day, 13.1% down the week, 39.2% down the month, and 89.2% down the year, sitting at the market cap of $134.15 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $5.97 million. Okay, again, let's check Bitcoin right quick. Okay, I think Bitcoin is very interesting. Look at that. 0.4% down the last hour, 0.5% up on the day. Almost like it went down, came back up, almost the same thing. 1.7% down the week, 10.8% down the month, and 27.8% down the year. Look at sitting at the market cap of $1.73 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $69.55 billion. So yeah, look at that. Looks like I said, Bitcoin was supposed to recover before the rock pool happened. Okay, so I think like guys are not really paying attention to a bunch of things. Now, most of you, let me go back here real quick. Let me go here. Most of you, like I said, I am not bearish on Kaspa. I'm not at all, because Kaspa, the daily has reset, the weekly has reset. That thing is getting ready. What is happening right now is that Donald Trump rock pulled everybody. The entire markets got spooked and it dragged Kaspa along with it. Now look at this, okay? Maybe, sorry about that. Maybe those of you who have been along, we already know what I'm about to show you, okay? I'm about to show you, see, this is on the weekly, okay? We're gonna look at first the RSI. See, this is the RSI on the weekly. Let me move it this way. Did you see that? Already bottomed out. The RSI on the weekly has bottomed out. We have the MACD. This is what we are waiting for right now. Once this usually move first before this moves, okay? So you can see, look at that. The blue line is almost crossing the red line. That is what I'm telling you guys. I am not bearish on Kaspa. I cannot be, because this thing is about to run. And look at that. We're on the weekly. If I go on the daily, look on the daily, okay? Again, see? That's what I'm telling you. Like, the price action you're looking at Kaspa right now is because of the market fear. Look, daily, we have already flipped. So we are still waiting for we're still waiting for the RSI to flip. This is what I'm telling you about. So yeah, you can sit here and be fearful about it. Sam, let's look at Quant right quick, okay? Let's look at Quant. Let's see Quant on the same way. Look, this is the daily on Quant. See? Did you see that? Almost resetting again. It's almost resetting. So yeah, everybody, this is on the daily. If you look at it on the weekly, let's look on the weekly. See? Blue about to cross on the red. Once it starts to go up, then this guy will also do the same. This is what I'm telling you guys. I cannot be bearish on the coins that I am trading. All I'm doing, like I've always told you guys, you need to be patient. Patient enough. Let them do what they want to do. Go deal with Solana and you come back and tell me. you come back and tell me. And the Solana, just like Ethereum, their days are counted, are numbered, because once Kaspa gets the smart contracts, everybody everybody's gonna remember what the name Kaspa looked like. So again, yeah, you can sit there and cry about it, which is yeah. Yeah, you already know. Anyways, now let's go look at prices in details right quick, okay? Let's go with trading view, this guy right here, because again, if you've been following my channel, you will understand exactly what I've been telling you guys, okay? I don't know, people sometimes don't pay attention, but if you don't and you get wrecked, don't blame nobody. See, this is exactly what I was telling you guys. Let me zoom it out a little bit. Let me zoom it out. You remember when we broke out and I told you guys, I said I was not happy with the price going up in a straight line, right? I will be glad, it will be glad for me for price to come back down, retest that resistance, turn it into support, right? This is the 1 hour, and that's exactly what happened. See, we broke out. Oh, come on. We broke out, came back, retest. Look at that. Retest, now we're going up. Look at the ribbon. Again, it's begun to curve, right? So yeah, the beginning is here. Everybody else is just crying about it, and I'm telling you guys, you gotta pay attention. MACD has reset. RSI is on the way. Look at everything is pointing that Kaspa, guys, Kaspa is about to run. Anyways, you guys can sit there and cry about it, but yeah, yeah. So yeah, let's look at on the 4 hour. Look on the 4 hour right quick. Clean as a whistle. See, this was the previous resistance, broke above it, and if you guys can see, clean as a whistle. He's retesting it. Now bounce off it. The same thing. So this is why I do not worry. When you see a rock pool, you know it's a rock pool. When you see an organic dump, you also know this is an organic dump. So yeah, for me, I'm not worried. You guys can sit there and think it's the end of it. This is how it ends and blah blah blah. I'm not. I can understand. Like people just like panic, and when they panic, they don't even think before they do something. That's what I understand. Okay, so for me, Kaspa is doing great. It's okay if you don't believe in it. That's okay by me. I will sit here and I will tell you the same thing. Yep, I told you so, right? Excuse me about that. So yeah, everything is playing out just like I told you. If you go look at it on the daily, again, watch the daily, okay? Again, came back, retest, just like I told you. He's gonna retest it. So let's see how today's price action closes. Because like, first of all, we're looking at that, those doji, those Star Wars candles, they got pulled right back down because of what? Our rock pool, our rock pool musician doing his thing, right? So yeah, Kaspa is still sitting right there. So we're gonna wait and see how this day closes and everything goes. But for me, that's why all my 6 trades are still open, because I believe this was a trap, this was a rock pool, and soon enough the market will understand what's going on and price action will keep on going up. That's simple as that. Now let's go look at Quant right quick. Quant, which is the banker's coin. Okay, now I like this. Look at that perfect bounce. Anyways, let's go look at Quant right quick. QNT on the Binance right quick. Okay, so again, same thing goes on here. You can see, okay, you can see where the dump happened, the ribbon is curving, we going up again. So yeah, probably people have started to realize like, okay, this was just a manipulation, because that's what it is. Manipulation at its best. Okay, the market was doing perfectly fine until Trump did his thing. But anyways, now as you guys can see, ribbon hasn't turned green yet, but it is begun to curve upwards, which yeah, it looks very good. As you guys can see, we dumped all the way back down to, like, I think it was 79 or 78, but Kaspa is recovering perfectly well, as you guys can see. Sorry, Quant is recovering. So if you look at it on the 4 hourly, let's go on the 4 hour right quick. Right there, You can see that there. So for me, again, I believe just like it happened previous, I believe now Quant is going to go up to retry that resistance at $94. 94, we have another one important at between 102 to 105. Okay, we have another one right there. So yeah, just sit tight. Let's see how this week closes, because like, yeah, there's a lot of events, microeconomic events happening this week. We've seen the tariffs have come and gone, and let's see what the FOMC will bring. Let's see, there's a lot of stuff going on. So yeah, a lot of you who are bearish, I don't know about you, but I am so bullish right now on the coins that I am trading. If you look at it on the daily, go look right here, right quick here. So yeah, this is what got a lot of people spooked, because they talk about, yeah, the candlestick going down, the ribbons looks like it's gonna go down. But if you look again, look at the trading area. Every time we hit that area, price goes up. We hit that area, price goes up. And again, that is something that I really don't really see it as a bad thing, because this Quant is still in that bull flag formation, as you guys can see. Okay, it is still in that bull flag formation. So I'm just gonna wait, see how everything plays out. Although, like you guys already know, my spot position still there, my leverage positions are still there. So yeah, I don't have nothing to fear other than just watch the market, see what's going on. That's it. Now, if you go look at Jasmine, again, like I told you guys, Jasmine is the Japanese Bitcoin. It mimics, it copies everything that Bitcoin does. Bitcoin goes up, Jasmine goes up. Bitcoin comes down, Jasmine comes down. That's how simple it is. So yeah, again, I told you guys, for those of you that like price confirmation, wait until Jasmine gets back above 2.3 cents. That's simple as that. If you don't want to wait and you want to get into your trades, you will have to scale them up. Because if you don't, you are going to get straight to Wreck City, right? You will lose your money. But anyways, for the past hour, you guys can see she is trying to struggle to go up. But like we saw, Bitcoin for the past hour has been dumping like 0 point something percent. Therefore, again, I don't think Jasmine is going to go up until Bitcoin regains his foot. So that is what I'm saying. You need to be careful with Jasmine. If you look at it on the 4-hourly, okay? On the 4-hour, just the same. We just gonna wait. There's nothing you can do but sit tight and wait. So yeah, I really don't want to waste time on this thing because nothing has changed. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. I'm not bearish. I'm not, because again, Bitcoin hasn't gone to the way it's supposed to. It is going to get there. Trust me, it's going to be a record pump. What I mean record, in shorter time than you think, because they disrupted the entire thing. They disrupted the entire market. And yeah, those of you who were talking about strategic reserve, and I remember one of my videos, I asked you, do you think, just think for a second, do you think if they want to buy Bitcoin for strategic reserve, they're going to buy it at 100K? No, they're going to drop it as low as they can to buy it lower and then announce strategic reserve. I think I told you guys, those of you who listen, about this, right? That's why I was saying, yeah, I don't think they are going to go that high yet. I was thinking this was going to happen at $90,000 Bitcoin, but it didn't. It's now at 80, whatever that, what price that thing is right now? $88,000. It went even lower when it came back up. So yeah, they are buying it before they announce Bitcoin as strategic reserve. That's what they're doing. And again, Trump comes out just to try to pump his little coins. He say, yeah, by the way, Solana is included out there. And when he was asked, why are you including Solana? Oh, we want to make a U.S. Crypto capital of the world. Guys, it's confusing you. Being the crypto capital does not mean holding a specific coin. It means making rules and regulation for crypto to thrive. That's it. That's simple as that. Anyways, guys, let's go look at my positions right quick. I know a lot of you are dying to see if I was in Wreck City yet or not. But yeah, I'm gonna leave you with that wish because I am a professional trader. I know what I'm doing. Anyways, now again, before you get to trading, please, you need to learn how to do it. Down below, I do have my Phemex, Bydfi, Margex, and Weex exchange. Sign up, meet their deposit bonus, and they will give you free money in thousands. That's what they're doing right now. Okay, once you get it, take $100 out and practice. Because if you don't practice, you'll be the newest resident of Rec City. That's simple. Okay, that's simple. Anyways, let's go look at my positions right quick. We're gonna start first with Bydfi. Like I always told you guys, Bydfi, I trade Kaspa and I also trade Quant. Okay, right now my overall still at 9,800. I saw this thing yesterday, it was around $7,000 and I was like, damn. Anyways, now if you look at my contract, okay, look at that. Kaspa is holding strong, 7.5 cents. But anyways, let's go. If you look at my contracts, you will see here my Kaspa, I am still 62% down. Those of you who thought I got liquidated, and I'm telling you, you're going to keep on waiting. I have here 62% down, which is $5,000. And Quant, I am still down 24%. Despite all the dump that happened, look at that. I'm still 24% down. No more, no less, which is worth 2,500. Again, do not trade like me because I do trade at 50x on all my trades. 50x, no more, no less on all my trades. You can pause the video and you can look at my numbers if that's what you are interested in doing. Okay, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at my Phemex. On Phemex, you guys know I am trading Jasmine. I am also trading King Kaspa. Okay, so yeah, let's go right here. You'll see my overall today. Wow, it's back up. Yesterday was around $6,000. Okay, it is back up 8,100. Okay, at 8,100, if you look at my contracts, okay, this is down because of Jasmine. Jasmine is down, so I'm down 60. What's that? 66% on Jasmine, which is $7,000. And on my Kaspa, I am down 25%, which is $1,000. Now, again, just like I told you on my Bydfi, I trade at 50x. That's what I trade at. That's why you see every time the market goes up or dumps, my numbers run wild. So yeah, please do not do this if you don't have experience, or else you are going to lose your money. Don't do this, okay? So yeah, you can pause the video and you can look at my numbers if that's what you're interested into doing. Now let's go look at my Weex exchange. Weex, which is when one of you was saying that yeah, he believes my Weex got liquidated, and I was telling him like, nah, it can't, because I know what I am doing. Today I am still sitting up at $1,800. Okay, if you look at this and you look at my contracts, you will see my cubic, I am still down 56%. Normal. Normal for me, which is $788. On my Kaspa, I am still down 18%, which is $212. So my trades still sit the same. Just like I told you guys, I am not a day trader. I open up my positions and I let them ride till the time comes. For months and months, I don't check the price right now. I will show you these accounts in 6 figures when time comes, because Bitcoin and the crypto market, the bull run is not over yet. You will see. You guys have to understand it. Okay, you're looking at, for example, look at my cubic right now, 58% down, right? Look, if you look at cubic, just the recent all-time high, 5 zeros for 5 zeros and a 7, this position will be sitting at $10,000, which again, you can't tell me that cubic would not cross this. You cannot tell me that. Okay, just losing a 0 at 4 zeros and let's say a 3, this position will be sitting at $54,000. Now you want to tell me that cubic cannot get to this price? Really? Okay, let me just say I'm the only believer, because I've told you guys many times, I think cubic can easily go to 3 zeros and a 1, or 3 zeros and a 3. So and a 3, look at this, 3 zeros and a 3, we're talking about $500,000. Okay, Let's just say 3 zeros and a 1. We're talking about $188,000. These are the numbers that I am looking at. Okay, you can sit there and be bearish. I am never bearish. I know exactly what I am doing. Therefore, you will see it. The top of Bitcoin was not 109,000. Guys, Bitcoin will top out at 150 or 160,000. You will see it. And my profits, we will see them by then. These are the numbers that I am looking at. For example, look at this Kaspa position, okay? At $1, which again, you cannot tell me that Kaspa cannot get to $1. At $1, this position will be worth $33,000. That's what it'd be worth. I'm going to scale it up because I want to make more money with it, okay? At $3, this position will be worth $107,000. You cannot tell me that Kaspa cannot hit $3. I've told you guys, if Kaspa does not do good, as good as I think it will do, it will be $7. At $7, this position will be $253,000. Okay? Now, if it goes to my Moon Boy's price, $10, this position will be $364,000. This, my friends, are the numbers that I am looking at. Like, for example, go to my Phemex, okay? A lot of you, again, look at Jasmine, and I keep telling you guys, Jasmine, this run 60 cents. Or you will not tell me that. You can't tell me that Jasmine cannot pass the all-time pass. The last all-time high was 30 cents, okay? At 30 cents, this position will make me $98,000. I know it will go past this. So, yeah, this is what I'm looking at. Or if you look at 60 cents, this position will make me $210,000. See? That is what I am looking at. I'm not looking at anything else or whatever you want to. They're still talking about their ecosystem, their lockup, and blah, 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 which if they do it, you might be looking at just me $1.50, $2. So if we look at it at $1.50, we're talking about $546,000. That's what I'm talking about. These are the numbers that I am looking at. Again, not you looking at it right now, oh, 65% down. That's not what I'm looking at, because the bull run is not over with. If the bull run was over and I was getting these numbers, then yeah, I would be concerned. But for me right now, I am not concerned at all. Again, look at Kaspa. This Kaspa's position. At $1, we're talking about $84,000. $84,000 in profit. We're looking at $3, we're talking about $268,000. Again, $7, we are talking about $636,000. And at $10, we are talking about $912,000. See, these are the numbers that I am looking at. And again, time will come when you start looking at and seeing these numbers, and we will see who was right. Okay? The same thing goes to my Bydfi. Go to my Bydfi right quick. Okay? Look at this. You're looking at my quant and my Kaspa, when you go, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Look at this. For my Kaspa, at $1, which again, you will see Kaspa at $1, is $50,000 in profit, right? At $3, like most people think that will be the top, this will be $172,000 in profit. Again, you go $7, this will be $416,000. See, the profits is just right there. And then $10, this will be $599, almost $600,000. And I'm telling you guys, you will see these numbers. Okay? Now, the same thing goes with my quant, which people, again, if you just look at quant, just the all-time high, $400, I think it went, this position will be $47,000. Okay? Now, we're looking at $700. This will be $95,000 in profit. Then we have 1,200, okay? This will be $174,000. Now, for me, if coin did not do good, it will be like 1,700 or 1,700. So 1,700, you're talking about $254,000, okay? And if it goes crazy, like I say, quant is a $5,000 coin. This will be $780,000. Again, these are the numbers I am looking at. I'm not, whatever the market is doing right now, I don't care. That's not what I'm I'm trading here for. And Let's go back here real quick. So it is. That's me. That's the way I trade. I don't do day trade. Those of you doing day trades, then yeah, you got wrecked. That there's no two ways about it. A lot of you believe the strategic reserve bullshit, which again, if you look at the coins that he's talking about, you begin to scratch your head like, am I still dreaming or what the hell is going on? Understand? So yeah, there you have it. Those of you who thought I was in Reg City, now my trades are still open. I don't care what the market is doing right now. I am looking at the market 6 to 8 months down the line or less than that. That's what I'm looking at. And my job here is to keep those positions open, and I am going to keep them open. That being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, okay? And don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. I am very interested in knowing what you think. What do you think about the current market situation? Okay, did you fall for the trap? Did you fall for the magic trick? And don't forget to share so that other people like you and me with millionaire minds attitude can see this video and the family can grow. Again, I apologize because the internet here is so low, so slow, that as soon as I'm done recording a video, it takes so many hours before the video can be uploaded. So yeah, I really apologize if you get the information late. So yeah, I normally post on my Twitter page if the market does any changes. Okay, I usually do that, but in a couple of days I should be back in the United States of America, back home, and I should be able to upload videos way faster than this. Okay, so that being said, guys, please don't get taken to Reg City. Okay, until I see you in my next one, take very good care of yourselves. Okay, bye.